So I finally got my numbers to put on the boat, the registration numbers given to you by the state when you register your boat. And I started looking at how to apply a number on there. And I seen that vinyl wouldn't stick. And I seen some people put a plate and they tie it on here at the ropes. And I really didn't want to do that, given it can blow off or get tangled on when you're crawling back in the boat. So I found these. These are made of PVC. The numbers are printed on there and they get glued on right on the boat. And you can choose a few different background colors. Obviously I went black because I have a black boat, but it was bought at boatnumberplate.com and they were about $46 with shipping for 2 of them. And it also has a place to put your state registration sticker there, because the sticker will not stick to this boat long term. So these get glued on the same way as I glued the Scotty mount pads on, which there's one without a mount. And I've always used this glue and never had a problem. I just do it like the directions show. 2 or 3 coats, let it dry 5 minutes in between, and then it sticks. So let me show you that. Which I would start with a measurement, because I like stuff nice and straight. Probably want it lower. I always start with tracing it with a pencil. Then I will put tape around that line. Double check to make sure it's the right size. I usually put the tape a little bit more outside, so I don't care if there's a little glue sticking out on the side. I'd rather 100% bondage than some missing. That looks pretty good. 120 grit. And you don't really need to do it that hard. And then I'll also sand the back of this. And I always clean it with spacing rubbing alcohol. It cleans it and dries quick. Dry. You could probably get a bigger brush than the one that's provided, but this one will work. And I will apply the same on the registration plate here. And we're gonna let that dry. I usually it usually takes 5 minutes, and then I will put another coat on that and that, wait a few minutes, and then bond them together. All right, so I just got done with the second coat on the boat and on the tag. And then I will remove this tape before applying it. Otherwise, you might not get it off on the edges. You can obviously see where the plate goes based on where the glue is. And this is the part you don't want to mess up. Once you stick this, it's pretty much on there. Going with that. And see, I know it's 100% covered because I got some glue on the outside there, which is fine. That way I know it's covered. If you have some kind of roller, helps. I like to roller the edges here. And there you go. That's how you put on a boat tag number. That's never coming off. So now I just gotta do the other side.